Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. So I got my Maniology Mani by Me November box today. I just got it out the mailbox. I haven't get that out. And then let's see what we. I'm gonna take this out. Of course, lovely box. This is a sign. So Maniology Mani by Me. This is November's Mani by Me box. It's called Gingerbread House. It says this collection captures the sweet and charming vibes of holiday baking, transforming your nails into a festive, sugary wonderland. And then it lists the plates and the polishes and then the bonus gift. But we'll go over that in a second. They always send a sample card. Very cute. And then it gives you a step-by-step on how to do everything. I always love how all the cards and everything, how it all goes together. Sun-kissed style. I don't think I have this one. I'm looking at my stickers. I don't have this one. I'm surprised it didn't. It's not kind of going with the theme of Christmas coming up and the gingerbread and stuff, but still super cute. Very summery though. So I will put this up on my board with the rest of my sticker collection. I'm gonna go ahead and get the paper out of the way. Okay, so polishes first. Let's get this open. All right, so we have Marshmallow B537. It's kind of like an off-white. And then we have Cookie Crumbs B538, and it's a kind of chocolatey brown. So let's see what the thing says. Marshmallow is a soft off-white stamping polish with a creamy finish. Cookie Crumbs is a cool brown stamping polish with a creamy finish. And I'll swatch those in just a second. And the bonus gift is frosting, a clear white reflective glitter that adds a touch of holiday magic to your manicure. So it's a reflective glitter for like the frosting or give a snow effect. And then let's move on to the plates. So this is MXM 139. I'm going to maybe get the blue off. There we go. And it says this one is constructs your manicure with the delicate details of gingerbread homes. Indulge in full nail and fridge tip styles. So yeah. Those are, I really like that, like the icing decorations. And then MXM 140 says it is warms the heart with a tasty holiday treats. Candy canes, gingerbread, men, and swirls of sweet icing. Oh, these are really cute. Okay, so I guess they're layered images. These are really cute. right, let's go ahead and swatch the colors. Give them a little shaky shake. There we go. And grab a swatch stick. This one probably won't show up. I think I might do this one just because it has more to it. There we go. I really like this color. I'm not always a fan of the bright whites for everything. Sometimes you need something that's a little more dull. Yeah, I like this. Okay. Like usual, I apologize for my super squeaky chair. And let's see. All right, I got some tips here. And I'm thinking maybe we will do a couple things. Yeah, that's gonna be really cute, like over this, kind of like dripping. Okay. I think we'll try it on the off-white. And I'll have to grab a red. This one, I know I want this little one right there. I really want to do these icing squiggles, but again, I'm like, it's not gonna show up on that brown very good. That really irritates me. And I thought these would be cute if they kind of look like cookies to start with. So do them in the brown first. And then we can pick them up in the marshmallow. Okay, I kind of missed a few, but I kind of like the way it's offset. Okay. See if the bell fits. Some cute little gingerbread and marshmallow frosting looking nails. Cute. Not what I was expecting, but they have some cute images on it. I wouldn't say this is one of my favorites though, but I still enjoyed it. I had fun. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.